welcome to a fun Design With Me project. We're going to go straight into it because I want to talk to you about this brand called Glowpail. So Glowpail is a sunscreen company and they want to have a colorful and a very powerful brand identity to stand out from their competitors. So, got my iPad over there. We're gonna get right into the brief and we're going to go into the design because I have a lot of ideas. So let me tell you what I found so far. By now you probably all know my process, so I'm not gonna go into all those details, and I have lots of videos about it, lots of graphic design videos, so go watch those if you missed them. But I take my iPad and I write down lots of different ideas, and I write down competitors, target, about the company. I either do it on Notion or sometimes I just want to write it down, and I love to have everything in one place, so the iPad is the perfect way to do so. So let me read to you what I got so far. So for the competitors, when I was searching for sunscreen packaging, looking at what other people were doing out there, I found a lot of blue, orange, and yellow. That's their color palette. Like blue, orange, and yellow is the way to go. I mean, that makes sense. Blue, water / beach / pool. Yellow, the sun, and same with the orange, represent the warmness and all of that. So I understand the colors behind the strategy, right? Or the strategy behind the colors, more likely. So I write down to let's avoid these or try different shades, because it's either like a deep blue or really aqua blue, very powerful yellow or very powerful orange. So we're gonna try maybe to use different shades and see how it works, or like avoid those colors altogether. And I also write lots of white. The packaging is, you know, sleek, and I'll show you some example right now, but it's like always super white with those flashy colors, the name of the brand, and that's it. Nothing fun, boring, but this is essential. And I think this is how Glowpail wants to market their brand, right? They want to be different. They are looking for colorful and fun brand. They are targeting women and elder kids. So here it says, no shame on looking pale when your skin is glowing. Glowpail. Do you get it? Then we have extreme sun protection plus 3 times more water resistance than competition. Their tagline and our slogan will be that more the slogan. The slogan will be keep your glow but protect your skin, and the tagline is most effective sunscreen. Here are my ideas after reading this quick little brief. This is very, very trendy right now, or the gradient thing. I probably see it everywhere, and it's probably not going to stay forever. Like probably people are going to be sick of those gradients and the logo won't make any sense anymore. But as of right now, as of this summer, this is really trendy for this collection. This is perfect for them. So we probably won't use any gradient into the logo. We're going to try to make it as timeless as possible, but yet for this season, for this packaging, we will use some gradient. For those ads, we will use from gradient, so we will have to try to make really nice gradient for this brand. So that's my idea. So I write play with gradient for colors, maybe sandy and pink. So sandy, we're close in, we are in between that yellow, whitish, orange. Remember the beach, so why not? And I don't know, I have something with the pink that will look very good. That is definitely different. Remember, we are glowing pale, so we're still pale, so we can be a little bit pinkish, but not with this sunscreen, you know? So we'll see, we'll see. So the name is Glowpail, so let's play with glow. We're gonna try to make it glow. So I was thinking that maybe we could draw something fun just for the packaging and other brand assets, so they have something to play with that just Glowpail. Let's see what we're gonna do. So what I would do is sketch some ideas, see what I can find that inspire me to do this glow effect, and we're gonna look for some gradient as well, and then we will vectorize and start designing. Let's do it. So as you can see behind me, I have a lot of things that I'm trying to work out. I started doing some glowing effect for the glowing part because I want glow to glow, as I said before, and there's tons of different pictures with a gradient and logo style. So I kind of wanted to do a badge logo for this, and you know, then after making a flamingo illustration and all, and added two little badges on the packaging for that sunscreen. Right now I'm actually looking at what kind of font or what kind of font, like maybe serif or decorative font I can use for the glow, and I want to use two different fonts for a glow and pale. Even so it's one word on the logo, I want to do like a stack logo on a little badge, as you can see like right here. I was thinking of doing this for the primary logo. I need to find the typeface for both those words, and we'll see what we can come up with. Alright guys, it took me way less time than expected to find this typeface. However, I had some ideas in my head that I tried to put together during this brainstorming process while we're vectorizing this primary logo, and I think I came up with something that I really like, that the style I wanted to go for this brand. So I have not done the illustration yet. I feel like this is something that I will do in the behind the scene of this video, and you will have to wait the end of this video and or look on my social media platform to see the entire brand all together. But in this video we're going to finish with the color palette and put this logo in action with the colors and the gradient, and yeah, I can't wait for it to, you know, come to life. It's gonna be cool. You guys are seriously not ready for this one, so let me just show you quick. Boom, baby, boom. Did you see that? I am obsessed with the colors. It's exactly what I wanted. We got some pink and yellow and like sandy pinkish colors. Ooh, with those gradients. Okay, so stay tuned. Stay right here, because after my goodbyes, as usual, I'll show you the brand in actions with some mock-ups, pictures, videos. Let's see how those illustrations that we'll make behind the scene will look with that flamingo that I want to make. I can cannot wait for you to see the entire brand complete. Anyways, you guys, you've got your logo, and let me know in the comment down below how you feel about this brand. Anyways, thank you so much for watching until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, obviously always help me out. Let's see Glowpail.